Hi, it's HardReset and today we're gonna do a unboxing of Sandberg Survivor Lantern all-in-one 10,000. So we have our lantern and we're gonna open first these tapes. Okay. And what do we have in here? First, we have a user guide, okay. Our lantern, I think, but this for later. What do we have here? The cable, and that's it. So the box there, and our lantern. It's in plastic bag. Okay, it's not heavy, but it's not light too. Oh, my knife here. There's some tapes here, and I can't take it off. Okay. Oh, it's a mess. No, please. Yeah, okay. So, I see here the solar panels. With that we don't need. And right here we have buttons. More buttons. The screen, and in here is, I think, a flashlight, but I don't know what is in here. It looks like I can open it, but I don't know how and what for. Wait. Okay, so now I know how to open it. You just, yeah, pull it out. I don't know why I wasn't able to do it earlier, but it's the user guide says that it's for charging batteries, so you can charge it like that, I think. So, two more things we have is here we have antenna. And in here we have speaker, 2 speakers. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.